YouTube, it's Terrence Barker, and today we're going to go in and manufacture some penetrating hair oil and talk about the motivation that I had behind it. Let's get to it.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Alright, you guys, welcome new YouTubers to our channel, and welcome back to our old subscribers. We like you guys being here. We're doing great things, you know, but let's get to the main bread and the butter of this video that we're going to, the meat and potatoes of it, baby. Okay, when it came to us manufacturing hair products, it was pretty much simple. You know, my wife was into the natural hair community, and me, I was into the natural hair community myself. And after researching for a while, I started to realize that, you know, there were certain things that I did not like about certain hair products personally. It's not to say that all these hair products are bad, but there were certain things about the preservatives and, you know, how they were made, and studies coming out about being toxic to the body that personally didn't like.
A new study out of the US suggests the pursuit of perfect hair could actually be impacting our health. Researchers looked at 18 hair products sold in the US and traditionally used by black women, like hair relaxers, hot oil treatments, anti-frizz or leave-in conditioners. Every product they looked at contained endocrine disrupting chemicals, or EDCs. That means they interfere with the way our bodies produce hormones.
So then it was like, we got to go straight into manufacturing a good quality product, not just for myself, but our family as well, which was the starting point of manufacturing the products for others. Now, when it came to the quality of the product and the certain things that we wanted with our product was, one, for low porosity hair. So we needed an oil that was very thin and easily to penetrate. Two, to combat dandruff. Why? Because dry scalp and dandruff were a big concern at that time. So it was like, all right, you know, these are the two things that we need to have with the quality of this product. So after careful research, study, you know, and some trial and error here and there, came out with a oil that was very lightweight and thin to the touch, and also something that was easily to penetrate the hair shaft. Another thing about it was something that was going to help combat dandruff. One of the ways that it was going to do that was by the use of passion fruit seed oil that we have seen, which helps with stabilizing overactive sebaceous glands. Okay, now I'm not going to get all deep and technical behind it, but that's just a little bit of motivation on the reasons how we got started on manufacturing hair products for us as well as the community that we served. You know, so to tie it all together, it was just pretty much simple. Mainly, we wanted something more natural that was healthy for us. And then two, we wanted something to combat dandruff. And then three, when it came down to it, since we were already in the cosmetic industry, we was like, hey, we're going to have something that serves the community that we are already a part of. So with that take, let's get to the manufacturing process of this hair penetrating oil. Alright guys, this is Terrence Barker from Trinity House of Suds, and I'm just taking you through this little process right here. In this video, you're looking at on how we go through manufacturing our hair penetrating oil. Now you will see that we use well balanced, carefully measured combination of oils such as Baobab oil, avocado oil, sweet almond oil, olive oil in our blend. Everything is carefully weighed out on a scale with precision measurements. We want to make sure that we have the top quality product for our consumers. Then we'll move on. After everything is mixed and carefully balanced, what we do is we'll put them in a double boiler, because oils at cold temperature don't always bind correctly, so you have to heat them up inside the double boiler, as we are doing right here. Then after letting them heat up for a little while, we will then take our oils and blend them up to make sure that they bind correctly after they heat up for a while, as you're seeing right here. And then once our oils are carefully mixed and blend correctly and balanced, we would then remove them from the double boiler to let them cool off, and pour them into another container. The reason why we do this is because we do not want our essential oils to evaporate. So we have to pour them into another container to let them cool, and then we'll pour in our essential oils, and making sure everything is weighed out like we did before on the scale and carefully measured. Then once everything is carefully measured and weighed out, we then mix them once again, and then it's off to the packaging and and shipping process. All right, thank you guys. But now, after manufacturing this for a while, the product has been like a really great selling high product. People really like our penetrating oil. I'm about to put some up on the market today. So right now we are in February, so February 2019. So this video might be old later on, but right now, hey, we got something going down today. Because people have been asking for it, demanding for it. But I want to let you guys know just a little bit behind the scenes about the love and the passion that goes into manufacturing a product with us at Trinity House of Suds. Because if you don't have love or compassion with your product, some of that is going to bleed through when you manufacture it. You're not going to care about being precise. You're not going to care about being professional. The secret to being successful is about the love that you have, because that love is reciprocated through others, and then they will stick with you. But alright guys, other than that, this is Terrence Barker from Trinity House of Suds. This is a little bit behind the scenes. Like this video, comment below, subscribe, and hit that bell, dog. THOSLIFE, and I'm out.
Every single day